Finally, our top raised garden bed is the Vegepod. This is the product for you if you want the easiest way to grow your own vegetables at home. We like that with this unit, you get the size of a raised garden bed with all the benefits of container gardening. The base contains the soil so neighboring plants cannot steal away any nutrients, allowing your crop to grow stronger and faster. Additionally, the Vegepod is a self-watering garden bed with a wicking system where the soil draws the water upwards and keeps it moist. This saves you from having to top water them all the time and risk overwatering. We found that with this system, the established plants can last weeks without watering, and in cooler times, your plants may not require water for months. This is particularly useful if you're planning a long vacation or simply live in a dry environment. Another advantage is that it comes with a veggie cover, which protects the plants from the harsh sun, creates a perfect microclimate, and provides an ideal growing habitat while protecting the plants from bugs, pests, and animals. We also like that its modular design makes setting it up pretty easy, and it can be raised to 39.4 inches in height with a Vegepod stand. Furthermore, this product comes with a 10-year warranty, making it a risk-free purchase. This unit is perfect for small spaces and allows you to quickly grow fresh veggies at home with less effort. Its pros are: it is a self-watering garden bed that helps you save time, it comes with a cover that protects your plants from the rain, it has a 10-year warranty that makes it a worry-free purchase, and it is fantastic for small spaces. However, it does not come with very clear written instructions, so you'll want to watch the online tutorial video. The Vegepod is a brilliant raised bed that provides an effective and hassle-free way to create a productive garden even when you have limited time and space. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.